Hi guys, welcome to a new video on my channel, and here we have a box from Flipkart. So let's check what's inside. And this is what you get inside. It has Boult audio Airbass Probuds Bluetooth earphones. These are the true wireless ones, and the price, as you can see over here. This is the box. Airbass Probuds. Some specs over here. Bluetooth 5.0. And the best thing about this is these ear hooks. These are made in I think these are made in China. Yeah, made in China and imported into India. I wish one day we can buy stuff that's actually made in China instead of just being imported. So inside you get this Boult audio. This is for warranty. These might be product catalog, user manual, and you have a nice looking packet. Let's see what's inside this. Accessories might be the charging cable. Yep, charging cable and ear tips. And this is the main thing itself, nicely packed. It has a soft touch feel. It says Boult audio. You have, I think, lightning charging indicators, USB port, micro USB port for charging, and as soon as you open it blinks. These are the charging pins. Not too heavy, but it's a bit. It might be a bit bigger in size compared to other earbuds. That's because these house the earbuds along with the ear hooks. This is how they look. This is the left side. These are inclined at an angle, so I hope they fit well. And this is the right one. That's it as far as the unboxing was concerned. Earlier I was using these Boult rockers. These sound good, but the thing is that the wire dangles around your neck, and though these are wireless, but these are true wireless ones, so I'll just test them out and see if they are any worth. And as far as unboxing video was concerned, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.